Bienvenidos a Español con Señora Smith. So today we are going to do a Spanish lesson together. I found a neat book about un pájaro. Un pájaro is the red guy in the center. He is a bird. The title of the story is Tengo frío, which means I'm cold. So what we're going to do is I'm going to read each page. I'm going to give a little pause. You can pause me if you need to. I'd like you to repeat after me and try to answer some of the questions. I know that I can't hear you necessarily, but I'm excited to practice your pronunciation and also mine. So please excuse me if my pronunciation is not perfect, but I figure we're learning together. Okay. So, tengo frío. Tengo frío. Hay un pájaro. El pájaro vive en el bosque. Hace frío. Está nevando. El pájaro tiene frío. El pájaro dice, piu, piu, tengo frío. El pájaro tiene una idea. El pájaro va a México. ¿Hace frío en México? No, hace calor. El pájaro dice, tengo calor. El pájaro está contento. Okay, so let's go through this and let's talk about what this means. So, tengo frío. What does that mean? It means that I am cold. And here we're introduced to un pájaro. Un pájaro es un bird. And the bird vive, lives in el bosque. ¿Qué es un bosque? Forest. Hace frío. It is cold. There's that word again. Está. There is snowing. It's snowing. You can see the snow. El pájaro tiene frío. How does he feel? The bird, he feels cold. El pájaro dice, he says, piu, piu. And I say it like that because it means like tweet, tweet, or cheep, cheep. And tengo frío, he says, cheep, cheep, I'm cold. El pájaro tiene una idea. He has, tiene un idea. El pájaro es the bird. Va, goes to Mexico. Then this is a question. You can see that in Spanish when you ask a question, you have a question mark at the beginning and at the end. And when you have an exclamation point, you have it at the beginning and the end. But you'll notice that the question mark is in the opposite direction, and so is the exclamation point. That's just special to Spanish. ¿Hace frío en Mexico? So they're asking a question. Is it cold in Mexico? And the answer is no. Hace, it is calor, which is hot. El pájaro dice. Remember dice? That means to say. He says, tengo calor. I am hot. And el pájaro está. He is contento. Contento es happy. Okay, go through this a few more times. Try reading on your own. You can always play me back if you need to, and have a great day. Adios!